Good evening, professors and my fellow classmates. I am Harshil Kotadia. Today I am going to do a presentation on the topic of brain implants. Surely, many of you might have heard about it, as one of the most famous person of this generation, Elon Musk, is also in great pursuit of this technology with his company Neuralink. It has a great future prospect and with huge implications in human biology. Today we are going to discuss about what are brain implants, the main objective and purposes of them, their advantages and various disadvantages. Then I'm going to discuss a real life implication of this technology which has gone viral on the internet recently. So, what are brain implants? Brain implants, also called neural implants, are devices placed inside the body, more specifically the brain, that interacts with neurons. They are still in the early stages of their development, but they have potential to revolutionize the way we treat a variety of neurological conditions. Brain implants are technological devices that connect directly to a biological subject's brain, usually placed on the surface of the brain or attached to the brain's cortex. Brain implants electrically stimulate, block, or record, or both simultaneously, signals from single neuron or group of neurons in the brain. They have potential to improve the lives of many people with neurological conditions. As the technology continues to improve, brain implants could become a standard treatment for a variety of diseases and disorders. Summarizing the above two given objectives, I would like to say that the common purpose of modern brain implants and the focus of much current research is establishing a biomedical prosthesis circumventing areas in the brain that have become dysfunctional after a stroke or other head injuries. This includes sensory substitution, for example, in vision. What are the advantages of brain implants? Neurological disorders and injuries. Many individuals suffer from neurological disorders or injuries that result in the loss of sensory or motor function. Restore lost function. Brain implants can also be used to restore lost function in people who have suffered a stroke or other brain injury. They have revolutionized the field of medicine by providing solutions for individuals with neurological disorders and injuries. They can help restore lost functionality and improve quality of life for the people with conditions such as paralysis, spinal cord injuries, epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and more. To create new abilities. Brain implants may also be used to create new abilities in humans. They have the potential to enhance cognitive capabilities such as memory, attention, and learning in humans. So, what are the disadvantages of brain implants? They include risk of infection, damage to brain, side effects, and security concerns. Risk of infection and damage to brain. Most current brain implants require invasive surgical procedures to implant the devices into the brain or neural tissue. These surgeries carry inherent risks such as infection, bleeding, or damage to surrounding brain structures. Side effects. Brain implants may lead to complications or adverse effects. The body's immune system response can cause inflammation or rejection of the implant, reducing its effectiveness or requiring additional medical interventions. Security concerns. Brain implants are wireless devices, and as such, they are susceptible to hacking. Software vulnerabilities are common in all types of software, and brain implants are no exception.
12 years ago,
Now
I
I'm
got
going to
a
show you a
accident
clip
and had a
which
spinal
is
cord
going
injury.
viral on the
So
internet
I'm not able to
recently.
move my legs anymore.
Now I'm going to
Within
show
5 to
you
10
a clip
minutes,
which
I could
is
control
going
my
viral on the internet
hips.
recently.
I'm training 10 years
Now
to
I'm
stand
going
up
to
with a
show
friend
you a clip
having a beer.
which is the above mentioned clip was of 40-year-old Gert Janos Kamp of the Netherlands. He was paralyzed in 2011. and has now regained the ability to stand and walk with the help of implants placed in his brain and spinal cord. He was told that he would never walk again after a biking accident which damaged his spinal cord, leading to paralysis of his legs and partial paralysis in his arms. Now, using the implants, the researchers say we have captured the thoughts of Gert Jan and translated these thoughts into stimulation of the spinal cord to re-establish the voluntary movement. The new technique involved placing two implants on Oskam's brain. When he wants to move, the implants read his brain signals and send that information to sensors on a helmet-like device on his head. A computer uses these signals to predict how Oskam intends to move, then converts his intentions into commands and sends these commands to another implant in the spinal cord. Finally, the spinal implant stimulates the Oskam's muscles according to his intended movement. The technology enables natural control over the movements of his legs to stand, walk, climb stairs, and even traverse complex terrain. Through this digital bridge, the researchers reopened a line of communication between Oskam's brain and spinal cord. Lastly, I would like to thank Professor and my classmates for paying attention. Thank you, and have a great day.